This is how to transfer an RRSP from Investors Group or IG Wealth to Wealthsimple. Once you guys open up Wealthsimple, go to the bottom and press the icon with the arrows. Then scroll down a little bit to where it says Transfer Account to Wealthsimple, and then select that. Then select Get Started. Under Most Popular at the bottom for me, if you were to scroll down, you will find Investors Group or IG Wealth Management. Go ahead and select it. Now you can sign in through the app by pressing on Next for a faster experience, or you can go to the bottom and enter the information manually. I will just do that for this example. Make sure that the RRSP account is selected because that's what we want to transfer, and then press Next. You can then fill in the required information such as your account number, etc. to complete the transfer that way. So that is how to transfer an RRSP from Investors Group or IG Wealth to Wealthsimple. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.